This fella fought with huge pride, and he thinks he's done it. He thinks he's done it in the Argentinian fans.
Thinks he did it.
The sheer aggression and determination trumps the skills that Floyd Mayweather produces. Here on the celebrations of Floyd Mayweather, Bernard Hopkins, who's seen a few, he said, "You've done it easily."
Dude, come on. What is going on?
From the fight. Here we go, let's find out.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 12 rounds of action here at the MGM Grand, we go to the scorecards. Judge at ringside, Michael Pernick scores the bout 114 to 114, even a draw.
Oh!
Judges, Bert Clements, who sees the bout 117 to 111. And Dave Moretti, who scores about 116 to 112.
Oh, this is fishy.
In favor of the winner by majority decision. He is now the WBA and the WBC welterweight unified champion of the world.
Who? Huh?
Floyd.
Oh my God.
Mayweather gets it by Dana, absolutely disconsolate.